Human beings have passed through a long process of evolution from their ape-like ancestors to their present form. In the early stages, human beings resembled apes with a hairy body and could not stand or walk erect. Over centuries they went through physical changes. Their jaws shrunk. Their brains developed. They started walking on 2 feet. Human-like animals that walked upright were known as hominids. The second type of early human living on the earth was Homo erectus, which means people who walk upright. The final type of hominid living on the earth is Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens means person who can think. Stone Age. The Stone Age refers to the prehistoric period during which stone was used to make implements with a sharp edge. The Stone Age is also divided into 3 different periods based on the degree of sophistication in the making and use of tools. Stone Age, Paleolithic Age from 50,000 BCE to around 10,000 BCE. Mesolithic Age, 10,000 to 8,000 BCE. Neolithic Age, 8,000 to 3,000 BCE. Life in Paleolithic period. Early humans lived together in groups. They were hunter-gatherers. They hunted wild animals, fish and birds for their meat. They gathered fruits, berries, honey, nuts, seeds and roots from the forest. They wandered from place to place in search of food and water. They did not know how to grow their own food. They took shelter in caves or treetops. Caves protected them from heat, cold, rain, and wind, as well as from animals. Clothes. They wore clothes made of animal skin or barks of trees to protect themselves from sun, wind, or cold weather. Tools. Early humans used a variety of tools to hunt animals, protect themselves from animals, chop trees for firewood, cut meat and chop fruits and roots. They made crude tools with stones, bones, and sticks. They attached stones to pieces of wood to use them as spears, hammers, or arrows. Core tools. Core tools used for hunting and digging, such as hammers, axe heads, and arrowheads made of flintstone with razor. Flake tools. In Middle Paleolithic period, they shifted from core tools to flake tools, like choppers, scrapers, and cleavers. Discovery of fire by accident. Maybe fire was discovered accidentally while rubbing 2 pieces of stone together. The spark produced by rubbing the stones accidentally fell on dry leaves, resulting in fire. Fire helped them to cook food and to make it tastier and more nutritious. It provided warmth and protection, carry-on activities at night, to protect them from predators and insects. Paleolithic art. Early humans lived in caves and rock shelters and drew figures on the walls of the caves. The cave paintings depict scenes of hunting, their daily life, and activities. These paintings are about 9,000 years old and give us a glimpse of the prehistoric life, their religious beliefs and practices. Mesolithic Age, 10,000 BCE to 8,000 BCE. The Mesolithic age was, in fact, a transition period and was followed by the Neolithic age. Main characteristics of the Mesolithic age. The crude stones were replaced by microliths, the smaller and lighter tools which could be fitted on a spear or any arrow. Use of bone and ivory for making tools. Wooden handles were made for tools and weapons. Domestication of animals. Beginning of agriculture. Beginning of the art of making clay pots.